In today's video, I will walk you through how to swap crypto on Deribit. There are a few different ways to exchange crypto on Deribit, depending on what you want to do. The first method is by using the spot trading market. Start by logging into your verified Deribit account. Once you're on the platform, go to the top menu bar and click Spot. You can also select Trade and then choose Spot if that option is available. Next, select the trading pair that matches the assets you want to exchange. For example, if you want to swap ETH for USDC, choose the ETH and USDC trading pair. If you want to exchange BTC for USDC, select the BTC and USDC pair. After selecting the correct market, choose the type of order you want to place. If you want the exchange to happen immediately at the current available market price, choose Market Order. If you want the trade to execute only when it reaches a price that you specify, choose Limit Order instead. Enter the amount you want to exchange. Once everything looks correct, click Buy or Sell, depending on the direction of your trade, to complete the transaction. Another option available on Deribit is the Auto Convert function, which is used for auto collateralization. To access it, click the wallet icon in the top right corner of the page. In the asset matrix, look for the Convert or Auto Convert settings. These settings are often located alongside options for handling USDC, USDT, or settlement coin preferences. If you want your system-wide profit and loss or transaction fees to automatically convert into your preferred stablecoin or base asset, switch on the Auto Convert option. There is also an alternative method if you want to exchange fiat currency for crypto before funding your account. Go to your wallet page and click the Buy Crypto button. From there, use one of the integrated services, such as Legend Trading. You can exchange supported fiat payment methods into BTC, ETH, or USDC through the available service. After the transaction is completed, the purchased cryptocurrency will be credited directly to your Deribit balance. Those are the available ways to swap or exchange assets on Deribit. You can use the spot market to trade one cryptocurrency for another, enable the auto convert feature for supported account conversions, or use the buy crypto option through an integrated partner to exchange fiat currency into supported cryptocurrencies that are added directly to your account balance. Thank you for watching.